Good evening and welcome to Vending Machine Insider. I'm your host, Kenny Christopher. Tonight we'll be discussing the voluptuous options on row 4 and the newly stocked D7. D6. Let's begin. Now, I'm going to put some money in there. I think this is enough. I think that's enough. Ha, my mistake. That was only 15 cents. I'm a little bit short. Hey, you got $1? Sometimes I can't make up my mind about what I want to buy, so I have to flip a coin. What, you think I didn't push it? Never mind. I guess I gotta buy something now. Let's buy some D6.
Yo, what the man?
That's my bad, dude. Good news. I found $1 in my pants. Mmm. Wow. And that was Hers Barbecue, gluten-free, 150 calorie, 2.5 grams of saturated fat. Join us next week when we talk about vanilla cream cookies. E.